Welcome to Ca Uccelli-Stupendo Appartamento, your serene sanctuary just 5 minutes from the enchantment of Venice. Simply scan the QR code on your screen to secure your stay in this exquisite retreat. Nestled in the tranquil embrace of Marghera, this air-conditioned haven offers the perfect harmony of modern luxury and Venetian charm. Step through your private entrance into a world of understated elegance, where spacious interiors unfold with 2 beautifully appointed bedrooms, a fully equipped kitchen, and a refined dining area, all designed for effortless comfort. The thoughtful details abound, from the flat-screen TV with streaming services to the sumptuous bed linens and plush towels. Indulge in the sweet gesture of fresh fruits and artisanal chocolates or cookies left to delight you upon arrival. Outside, a shaded patio and serene garden invite quiet moments of repose, while the terrace offers enchanting garden views, ideal for morning coffee or evening aperitivos. With soundproof tranquility ensuring restful nights, you'll awaken refreshed and ready to explore, whether wandering the nearby M9 Museum or venturing into the heart of Venice's timeless canals. Complimentary parking and Wi-Fi add convenience to your stay, ensuring every need is met with grace. Don't miss the chance to experience this hidden gem. Scan the QR code now to reserve your slice of Venetian elegance.